frustrated that you did all the abs exercises that you found on the internet in order to get a slimmer waist and that never happened? Well, I'm here to tell you 3 secrets to get a nice slim waist that helped me do that. And stay with me till the end if you want to find out the 3rd one, which is so easy and you can, start doing that and implementing it from today and see results already. So I will show you also, as you've seen in the thumbnail, the picture with my results. This is me in 2021. You could see that my body fat percentage was less than now. However, here my waist looks slimmer. So what are these 3 secrets to get a slimmer waist? Number 1, if you know your body fat percentage right now is in the limits and the body fat percentage that you desire, you are quite skinny. However, you don't see that nice slim waist because your body constitution and genetics it's different. Then what really helps is to work on the muscles from the back and shoulders. That would create this impression of a smaller waist. So this is what I did in the gym, because my back is really small and was even smaller, the same size almost with the waist. Now increasing my shoulder muscles and widening a little bit my back, my waist is a little bit smaller, and especially in dresses, everything just fits way better on my body right now, with the shoulders just slightly more toned and a little bit wider, and the back as well. So it's very important not to do just random workouts, but workouts that are specifically fitted to your body type in order to work the muscles that you would need to increase their size, maybe to create a more balanced body that helps not only aesthetically, because it looks nice when we have a nice feminine hourglass figure, but also health-wise, when our body is in balance for our health, has great benefits. Secret number 2 that also maybe not a lot of people are talking about is, of course, reducing the body fat, because this, of course, that reduces the waist size. So when you have less body fat, your waist is gonna get slimmer and nicer and more, defined. So in order to reduce the body fat, of course, it's very important to reduce the number of calories that we put in, and to increase the amount of calories that we burn. How are we going to do that? By eating less and better, and by also exercising and doing the exercises that are appropriate to our body, because as well they're exercises that will actually make you increase your lower back and your waist. If you've seen the CrossFit people and CrossFit women, they usually have a big waist, so you want to avoid very heavy squats or very heavy deadlifts, or anything that puts pressure also on your lower back and develops those muscles, because you want to slim your waist. So it's very important to do the right exercises for that. Also in terms of abs as well, try not to use crazy weights for ab training if you want to slim your waist. Reducing the body fat is important to be done with the proper tools, to say so, with the proper exercises, and with the proper food as well, because it's important to eat nutritious food. If you're in a caloric deficit, but you know you're on a Snickers diet or other things like this, this will not help you slim your waist, because it will be hard, you know, for the body to actually lose fat if we don't give it the right nutrients first. And number 3 secret for a slimmer waist that you can test even, you know, today, is to eat food that it's easy to digest. And to do that most of the times, and to avoid everything that causes you inflammation. And this can be different from person to person. It's not about, you know, sometimes people think that, oh, eating healthy will help you get a slimmer waist. Yeah, but healthy is very subjective, because, for example, healthy for a lot of people is, you know, for broccoli or a lettuce, romaine lettuce. These are healthy things, right? However, for me, for example, these create inflammation, they bloat me, so definitely they're not helping me to get a slimmer waist. So that's why I avoid this kind of foods and focus and learn that are specific foods that help me to feel better, to reduce inflammation. I like, for example, green beans, oats are very good for me. I love as well rice, potatoes. All these good carbs are amazing, and they do help to, you know, get nice toned body and a slim waist as well. So to do a little recap, the 3 secrets, because, you know, it's not only about doing all the abs workouts possible, it's about first realizing what is your body structure, because of course genetics do count a lot. And after you did that, to do little tricks and tweaks in your workout in order to make your body more balanced. So this is number 1. Choose exercises and, you know, exercises that will help develop your shoulder muscles a little bit, and to widen the upper back a little bit. So like this, we create the impression of a slimmer waist. Secret number 2, reduce the body fat, again with the proper cardio and exercises. You have the slim cardio workout on my channel. I will put the link in the description, and you'll see the thumbnail at the end of this video. And also, of course, eating the right type of foods. So this is also secret number 3. Focus on eating food that does not create inflammation, especially for you. It's not only about healthy food generically, but you realizing exactly what causes inflammation. Maybe gluten, maybe milk, maybe even specific vegetables, fruits, even fruits. For example, for me, if I eat 2-3 peaches, then I will also get bloated. So I prefer to stick with the fruits like berries, watermelon, and as well the quantity is very important. So in order to have a slimmer waist, an hourglass body, make sure that you take into account these 3 secrets. Of course, you hydrate, and you know, all the tips that we all know that are good for a healthy lifestyle in general, they will help you get a slimmer waist as well, like sleeping well, daily nature walks, even visualizing, meditation, and you actually help your waist get slimmer with manifesting. Maybe I will do a video about manifesting your ideal appearance. And yes, try them. Let me know if you knew about these secrets before. And I want to know what other subjects would you want me to talk about and to do videos about on my channel. I did this video because one girl commented on my slim waist cardio video asking me if those exercises will help her only lose fat, because she doesn't want to lose fat because she's already skinny. So I made this video to give an in-depth explanation on how you can slim your waist. If you don't want to lose body fat, then just work on increasing your shoulders muscles and widening your back a little bit. If you want, also losing a little bit of body fat will also help. So this was an answer especially to that girl, and also I know that a lot of people, women especially, are interested in this topic, and maybe you didn't know about these things that have a great impact on your waist and will help you get a slimmer waist. Thank you so much for watching, for joining me. Like, share, subscribe if you find my content useful, and see you soon. Check out my slim waist cardio workout.